Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So, student made the following statements regarding the expansion of a plus b to the 4, written in descending powers of a, which, I mean, most of the time that's not something you need to worry about when they add that. But, of course, the first term would have the highest exponent on a, and then it would descend from there because a is in the first position there of the binomial. Okay, and so we have 4 statements. Let's go down to the bottom. The 2 statements that are true, numbered above. Okay, so the total number of terms is 5. Okay, so number of terms is basically the exponent, which is our n, plus 1. So our number of terms would be 4 plus 1, which equals 5. So first statement is correct. So we know 1 can go there. Okay, the sum of the coefficients of all the terms is 14. Okay, now rather than actually get all the terms, all 5 terms, and then add them up, which we could do, or you could take that particular row in Pascal's triangle. You remember also that the coefficients, there's no numbers in front of a and b, so it would simply be the n choose k, right? So the first coefficient would be 4 choose 0. The second coefficient would be 4 choose 1, 4 choose 2. So you could definitely grind it out this way and go all the way up to 4 choose 4 there. But there's a characteristic of Pascal's triangle that the sum of the coefficients in any row in Pascal's triangle is equal to, the sum is equal to 2 to the exponent of n. So we could simply do it shortcut way and go 2 to the exponent of 4, which would equal 16, which is not 14. Or if you can't remember that, we can definitely grind it out with the n choose k and get all those numbers and then add them up. All right, let's look at statement 3. For the term 4a cubed m, the value of m is, okay, well, if we have a term that's 4a cubed b to the something, we know these exponents, as long as there's no extra exponents on the variables in the binomial, we know those exponents should add to our n value. So that one would have to equal a 1. So your m value should be 1, which is correct. Okay, so we could stop there, but let's go to statement 4 as well. The coefficient of the first term. Well, as we discussed kind of up here, the coefficients start off at 4 choose 0 and then increase from there. So 4 choose 0 should be our coefficient of the first term, not 4 choose 1. So that's why that one is incorrect. Alrighty, so your answer would be 1 and 3. You put in your 4 little boxes like that. Alrighty, hope that helped.